Hello everyone, if you want to generate the ID like this with 001 and 002 or something like that, let me show you. For example, in here just type 1, 2 and then we show like that. So first of all, let's get it format first. Select GU1 and then right click and format cell, right? Okay, in here we use custom format, so just type 0000 4 times, then it's okay. And let me delete all that and just 1, 2, yeah, and just double click it, it will go to where you want, up to 100 like that. Okay, just remove the border, take the border like this. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like and share and comment. See you next time.